Got my button all sticky. Don't want to break my camera. It's time to make the cake. Let's decorate the platey plates. Not that anybody will see the bottom, but I can't decorate the top because the dogs will lick off the ink. There's literally no point doing the bottoms there. This is all ready too. A few Dalmatian spots a long way. Let's do a little question mark on this one. This can be Dottie's plate because Dottie has a question mark on her, which I have videoed. Filmed. Must stop saying videoed. So old. So old-fashioned. Right, this can be Dottie's one. Buddy has a weird, like, laughy face, a little bit like this on his one. So this can be Buddy's one with Buddy's mark on it. That's Buddy's mark. He has sort of a weird, laughy face on his back. Dee dee doo 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 la 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 doo 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 la 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 la. So this is the cake for humans and dogs. And this is the dog's pudding. Oh, light's weird. There we go. Look at them. Come on, dogs! Right, ready? Right, let's do it that way because Dottie needs the big one. Because she's still growing. Oh no, Buddy's has fallen over. Hers is going to be gone in 2 seconds.
Oh, buddy. Coke. You lucky dogs.
All over the carpet. He's so messy.
Well, it's just
Oh, she's doing it as well.
Oh, God.
I just shampooed that yesterday.
Well, I have to clean that up again, yeah. What is it, cream?
Greek yogurt.
Oh, I'll have to hopefully lick it up. Look at the mess you've made. Look.
Buddy's is stuck. I should have put them in metal bowls. They're skidding everywhere.
Yeah, why'd you put one in a cake bowl?
Because I've decorated them, look. Look, made them pretty for them. Go on, Buddy. Eat it. Well, Dottie was a fan. Buddy's is stuck to the bread.
He's just a slow dog.
He's very slow. Oh, got it. There we go. He's picked it up.
What he's doing the cleaning. Cleaning the floor. Good girl. Clean it then, Dottie. Come on, you can do it, dude. You can do it.
Good. press the button for me. I've got yogurty hands. So Luke's already made and eaten his. Now I have done this. Ta-da! I just need to clean up the plate a little bit because I've got yogurt everywhere. But that's what it looks like at the moment. Ta-da! We're going to start there. Don't want you to fall out. Before I run off with this, I've got to do a taste test. I nearly went off to go and eat it without trying it. So let's see. Take the corn a bit. Luke wasn't sure at first about his, and then afterwards he said he kind of liked it, but he had to get used to it because it's a bit like banana bread. Oh, you made me jump.
Sorry, I didn't realise you was recording.
Jesus.
You enjoying it?
I'm just trying it. Yeah, I just said you weren't sure at first, but then you got used to it, didn't you?
Yeah.
He's in his pants. You're in your pants.
Yeah, I know. Sorry. I'm trying to get in the bath.
Right. It's nice. The cake is like banana bread and it's gone a bit stiff. And it's quite dense and heavy because obviously there's no like fluffy baking powder in it or anything like that. And there's lots of dense, heavy food in there, but it's good. I like it. But I was happy with the mix raw, so I knew that I was going to like it. I wasn't sure about Luke, which he wasn't sure at first, but then after a few bites he got used to it and he was like, it's actually really nice. So I'm going to go and eat this now. It's falling to bits. It's like a tower that is toppling over. So I'm going to go and enjoy this now. Thanks for spending the day with us. Get down, buddy. Get down. Down. Knock the camera over. Buddy, come.
Oh, to charge.
There you go. Sit.
Oh, I mean, what the?
Do you remember these?
No, wait, they're both hurt, boys. I heard them both. Right in the stage. Oh, they're finishing me up.
One for you.
Mine.
Oh, you're such a pretty boy.
Mine tail wizard. Mine.
Right there.
Oh, shit, they're on me. There's another team that came from where we come from.
Your little tie.
It's just a flank. This is what you.
Oh, you're so pretty.
He's pushing. Down, shit. Please, he's stupid.
Dotty.
Safe spot. Coming again. Watch.
Muffin?
Got him. I got you 120.
Muffin?
Thank you. Another team on the stairs. Another team. I call. Just watch it. Fuck you piece of shit. I'm safe right here.
Is that annoying? Hang on.
Eating. He based going in. It just transcends moves and time and space. He's on it. If you could break down this wall, Nicole, and then when you watch. Yeah, go. I'll watch.
That's better. Oh, you look so good.
We didn't let any of them call, right? I killed this one. I don't know about the other.
Right.
Oh, I got 2-4. No way.
It was Muffin's birthday yesterday. So this is Muffin's birthday weekend. And I've bought them a present. A grazing board, a buffet of chicken treats with baked biscuits. How cute! So they're going to have a little tea party. She's ready as well, look. Was it your birthday yesterday?
Happy birthday, Muffin!
Oh my, you read my
It's
thoughts.
Muffin's birthday, look what
Read
you've
my
got.
thoughts. Good thinking. Wait a second.
You ready? Have a little tea party.
Do one more loop for even more locker. Only, good thinking. Hear me out. I'm listening.
Oh, what is this? Oh, you're so lucky. Are you 4 now? Are you 4? You're a big girl. You're a big girl now. Yes. Right. Where can I put this?
You ever suggest something like that again? Dude. Okay, the first guy I called, this guy I called Brian. Dog of some people. I boarded up a window.
Right, I'm going to try.
I always forget closely the only one with the scoop without a wife.
It's got sausage slices, chicken strips with white fish, chicken mini sausages, and a herb biscuit.
Alright guys, where do you think they went, guys? Where do you think they went? They're scared of our sexiness. Yeah, they're scared of how sexy we are. Yeah. I'll go look at. By the way, may I compliment you on your character design, Heidi?
In the background.
I know.
I mean,
Luke's watching Peanut.
I'm
Let's put
I
this
don't
up a
dislike
bit.
it. I love it. I love it. Wow. You're being real, you know. I'm being real Anthony. My goodness.
God, it's really raining out there now.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
it's the best news
Got in
I
just
have
in
ever
time.
seen. The best
Did you notice I did that?
Yeah, I did. Looks good, doesn't it?
It's cool now, it's in the wind there.
We've got a new, well, it's not new. Mum bought it for us, but Luke sorted it out.
Yeah, I put it right in the middle so it spins.
It looks so good like that, doesn't it?
We've always got the windows open, so.
Cool, isn't it?
I'm coming.
Okay.
We call that. Oh my goodness. How did you let that happen, Closey?
I killed one at first, the one so we didn't get to hatch, and then there was another one. I got it,
You
man.
went through the dog master. Who's he gonna be? Wait,
There's 1,
you go
2,
all the way
3,
out there?
4, 5 crackers.
Really? If you go all the way to that tower?
Can you sit? Can you sit to wait?
His face is
Very
weird.
good.
What am I supposed to do with this shit?
What is you doing? Let me see that thing. You don't know how to use it.
The fuck do I do with this? You think out of all people in here, actually on the
That'd be
face
nice.
of the fucking earth, you wouldn't know how to use this?
Yes, I know exactly how to use it.
Wait,
Holy shit, it's big. What you trying to tell us today?
Oh, smell. They smell strong.
Tell what we do.
Right, so there's
I think.
little baby sausages, chicken strips,
Are you fucking what the hell? That's our bride.
herby biscuits. Let's set 3 up.
Let's
do that.
Do overtime.
1, 2, 3. Chicken strip
I want
each.
to turn on the doodingler.
What?
I want to turn.
Sausage each.
They lay bird trap.
Oh, I thought that was going to be easier. And a sausage slice each.
Wait, I went the wrong way. Oh,
come to have a look.
Did you this time?
And we got these.
Oh, what the fuck?
There we go.
Oh, no.
In
Not me, buddy. Not me.
Pets at Home.
You're bad luck. What are you doing? You're bad luck.
Look at that. Little treat each. Wow. Yay.
Hey, there was another one.
Muffin's ready. Are you ready? Get down then. Get down. Muffin. At least she can smell them. Get down.
Yeah, she likes to smell those.
That smell good. Right. Sit. Good girl. Move your shoes out of the way. Right.
Yeah, hold it. And then walk
There
around.
you go. One for you.
Close you are. Finishing. Oh, wait. Hudson's about to bust. Wait, Hudson's about to bust.
She likes that. Oh, is that nice?
Oh, you busted.
She's going for the meat first. Gonna eat this bit. She can pick it up. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's a hit.
Oh, this is going up on my wall 100%. Oh my
Lovely.
God. It's in mint condition. I think I broke it.
Gone? Is that nice? Oh, you lucky girl. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Muffin. Right. Dotty. Is that Dotty? Yeah. Dotty. Wait.
See the best part about it? Oh, I got
Mind my fingers. Gone.
Does absolutely nothing.
Sausage came out.
No.
Gone.
Wait, what you
Right.
doing?
Buddy is behind me, so we'll do it this way.
What the hell is that?
Well, wait, just real quick, I think the DVT stuff is cool and everything.
I was going to eat that in your blanket. Look.
Just for clarification, is
We're gonna go
Oh, they
shoot.
like those.
is this the new game mode we've been waiting 4 months for?
Biscuit.
I'm gonna go shoot that thing, and I'm gonna see what it does. Where'd it go? Yeah, I lost it. Oh, there it is.
They're a hit, aren't they?
How do you busted over there? You busted pretty good.
I'm busted. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. What's it doing?
Well, they like those.
Dude, I think it's scared of me. It's not too powerful.
Right, let's do... Right, sit. Everybody sit. Sit.
Oh my God!
Right, that's those gone.
Guys, this thing's insane! Look at my health right now, guys!
Let
We
me
got
see.
me down to 1 HP instantly!
Good boy.
Yeah! Dude, we gotta kill that thing! We gotta shoot it die! Take 2 dead lives. Holy fucking shit! I can't even beat this thing without dying.
I'm going to have to tune this out. There's a lot of swearing in this, Lukey.
There we go!
Yeah, it's a peanut. He's a swearer.
Peanut's a swearer.
What? Oh my fucking God. Is he up here with guns? Is he up here with guns?
Lots of swearing on this TV right now. Naughty Peanut.
Just put a pause there.
Sit. Good girl. Muffin's so gentle.
Yeah, I should have got that now.
Tiny little mouth. Just wait for Muffin to finish her sausage. Yeah, Muffin. Oh, is that nice? You're so lucky. You lucky doggies. Oh, are you excited? What's next? What's next?
Hey, Saints Wrist. They grow quicker than my budget. Any help?
Well, colleagues like Charlotte here are always matching prices or lowering them with their too cold, rain,
Oh, taking your time. Hurry up, Mum.
sunshine indeed.
Ouch, that was my finger.
Those dotties. Those sharp.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Close-up look at a planet. This is a hive world of the waste
Happy
variety.
birthday to Muffin. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Luke's got to make a mess.
Everyone's joining in! Yay! Some for Muffin.
And this, of course,
One for money.
it's pretty nasty. But when it came to the
Timber!
question of what else he liked to capture,
Muffin, happy birthday,
Muffin! With the aim of capturing a key location. Or whether that means it's one continent per planet, and that's kind of supposed to be the continents on the planet that you have to capture. Not sure. I'm imagining something like this, though, like the old Dawn of War games. This is what I think of when going from region to region. Anyway,
Lucky dogs. That was good though, they like them.
They love them, it's just because they smell so terrible.
Is this our usual little avatar of our army moving around the campaign map? They didn't say, so not sure, but it's...
Well, that was a hit. Pets at Home grazing board. They're very happy with them. Happy birthday, Muffin! Yay! Say happy birthday, Muffin.
Happy birthday, Muffin!
Yeah!
From the vibes given by the match they show. So as you can see,
I think Muffin's sad that the snacks are over. You having fun with that hat?
She's still hungry. She hasn't had dessert yet.
Where's the birthday cake?
Had dessert, Muffin.
Look at that hat. Look what she's done. What you done to that hat?
Oh, she's eating it.
Yeah. Chomped it up.
Oh. Ready? He's a good buddy. He's a good buddy. He's a good. Look at you. You're bolting. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, let's get all that hair out, eh?
They are molting.
That Hoover. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need the Hoover going at the same time as the
Yeah, don't put the fan on.
brushing. Yeah, yeah.
It'll be raining.
They go everywhere. Dalmatian glitter, they call that.
Oh my god. Well, that's what we got everywhere. You only got to sit down in it, haven't you? Oh, is that good, buddy? Is that good? Oh my god, look at that. Look at the floor.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Dottie's waiting for her turn. Look, she's excited. She's like, yeah, me next.
She's next. She's next. That's it, buddy. Ready? Oh yeah.
Dottie's turn for a brush.
Oh yeah, is it nice? She's not so hairy. She ain't got too
She's
much
not so
hair.
bad.
Not really. Oh yeah, is it good?
Oh, she's going to lay down. I will lay here and you may brush me, Daddy. She not so bad.
Nah, she's not so bad. I don't think she's too keen.
Buddy wants another go, look. Me again?
I don't think she's too keen on that.
Oh, is that nice, Dot? Is that nice? Oh, lucky girl.
Oh,
Grooming time.
oh you like
Oh, is that
Oh, your
nice?
chest.
Oh,
Your chest.
is that
What
nice?
about your chest?
Oh, Dottie, is that nice?
No, no biting.
Ah, Buddy wants another go. Look,
Hoover.
he loved
Gonna
it.
Hoover the sofa. Gonna have to hoover the sofa.
We are.
You're a good boy. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so
Oh,
nice.
is it good?
It's so nice.
Is it good? Oh. Right, that's enough.
Oh my goodness. That is so bad. Time to clean up.
Back to the spa, they
Clean up in aisle Dalmatian.
I'm covered in hair as well. I'm going to brush me now. Bottle chat. Just home for the dogs. Oh no.
Oh no. Gonna have to get my special metal tool out that does the hair. Come on, Luke, on your hands and knees now.
Oh, it comes out just slowly.
Buddy can't get through. Buddy's trapped. There you go, Buddy. Come on, Buddy. Good boy. You don't like the Hoover. You don't like the Hoover, do you? No. Oh, was that nice? We're just watching you do the cleaning up.